Okay, here we're going to change the battery on an SMT227U tablet, Samsung. So here's the model number. That's the model number. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pull the LCD and the assembly out of the back of the case. Snaps right up. Easy peasy. Then you have this camera tie down. Basically, it's a access plate. It's got several screws. You can take the screws out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and then you're just gonna pop this off. That covers the battery connector. Okay, the battery covers the LCD connector. Anyways, the batteries are usually glued down. I just prime up. You could use a little bit of alcohol underneath of them to loosen up the adhesive, or you can just work it slowly. I'll take a screwdriver and just twirl it until I get it out. It's the quickest way. Okay, once you get the battery all loosened up, be careful you don't punch a hole in it, because there's nothing good came out of a battery with a punched hole. And then here you have your little flip tab. Just get your fingernail underneath there, pop it up, bam, done deal. Okay, take that battery, throw it away. Dispose of it correctly though. You can open up the box with the new battery. Yeah, and they tape these boxes up like the batteries are gonna come to life and jump out of the box, right? Careful you don't cut yourself. All right, so well, they give you some handy dandy tools. Nice. Don't need those. Don't need the box. Okay, the battery. Wow, let's make sure we wrap the battery up so it doesn't break, right? Okay, whatever. Some of these guys wrap this stuff so tight you can't even get it undone. LCDs I get all the time. It's like, dude, really? I'm gonna break it unwrapping it. All right, here's your battery. Boom. We're not gonna put any tape in there. We don't need it because it's going in a case. These are for a towing company. The guys use these on their trucks all the time. So we're gonna find that little nib for the battery, and we're gonna line it up, push it down. They can be a little tricky. You just gotta get it just right. Perfect. And when it's in the right spot, you'll feel it lock. It'll kind of snap. You don't want to mess with it too much and bend something. Sometimes they're a pain in the butt, but you just gotta keep working at it. Okay, I felt it snap in there. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna put this access plate back on. Man, these screws are so tiny. Not as bad as Apple screws. Apple screws are tinier. You can't even see them. Alright, so we are going to plug a charger. Looks like USB-C. We're going to take the case. Make sure you have the buttons lined up on the right side. I like to slide the buttons in first, just so they don't get pinched. And then you just snap this case over the LCD like that. And then, if you had a SIM card, you have to pull that out before you can take the case off, because it's going to block your access. Just remember to put that SIM card back in there. Okay, so we're going to charge that, and then we're good to go. And we'll work on the other one. So here's the other one. Now the screen kind of fell out of this one, which once again doesn't matter because they're going to be in a case that holds them together. So we got to get this. I usually stick a razor blade in the corner and just turn it sideways like this. Just turn it like that just to get it going. And then try to get underneath there to pull that housing off. It just snaps on. Sometimes I can use my fingernail. I don't even need a razor blade. But you don't want to break the screen. Okay. Oops. Yeah, so here we go. Got to get that SIM card out of there. All right, so now we finished taking this case off. There's your battery. 6 screws. Now this is a 227U. Most of them are pretty much the same. Here's the camera assembly. We'll pop that battery up. Stick the razor blade underneath. Get my screwdriver. Roll it up. Like that. Both sides. And then here's the battery. Okay. Battery number 2 dead. Okay, I got shit all over my screwdriver. All right, man, here's the new one. Okay, so here we go again. Line up the battery tab. There it is. Put your camera access plate back down. Screw it back together. Like a 10-minute job, maybe. You know, if you can make 50, 60 bucks. Okay. Last one down. Then you take your case and you snap it back on. I like to do the button side first, right there. And then snap your case on. That'll hold the battery, and don't worry about it. It's all good. Okay. And then this one, see how that battery might have a charge. Yeah, okay. So there we go. 2 brand new batteries. We're done. Payday. Now these are going back in these cases. So here's the case. Camera. Line it up. Okay, beautiful. And this goes back in there. And then the tow truck divers can't abuse them and break them. And next I'll replace the screens. So if you liked that video and learned anything from it, give us a thumbs up and come back for more Fix It Right. Thanks and adios.